Hello everyone. This lesson we're going to show you the lab practice on LAB1 3-phase balanced WYE load. So we have a 30 ohm resistor. We'll connect those 30 ohm resistor in Y. Our supply 240 volt, 3-phase, come from line A, line B, and line C. We know the line voltage is going to be 240 volts. The phase voltage in Y connection going to be √3 less. So 240 divided by √3 give 138.6. The phase current going to be phase voltage divided by resistance. 138.6 volts divided by 30 ohm give me close to 4.62 amps. It's a Y connected load. So the phase current and the line current will be equal. The line current is going to be 4.62 amps. Now I can calculate power in each phase. In each phase is a single phase of just volts times amps. 138.6 times 4.62 give me 640 watts. If I calculate total 3-phase power, I have two formulas down here. One is use the phase value times by 3. One use the line value times by √3. So by using the phase value, got 1920 watts. By using the line value, got the same value, 1920 watts. And you can do those calculations yourself. Whenever we connect 3-phase load, we have to make sure we connect them right. So we can always measure the 3-phase load connect with ohm meter. Because we connect them in Y, you cannot calculate or measure the total resistance in 3-phase load. We have a 3 terminal, the ohm meter only have 2 terminals. So you cannot measure the total resistance. You can only measure the resistance between any of the 2 terminals. So I can use the ohm meter, measure the resistance between terminal A and B, or measure between B and C, or measure between A and C. If I measure between A and B, there are 2 resistors in series. Measure between any of the 2 terminals in Y connected load, there's always 2 resistors in series. So I know series circuit, resistance equal to the 2 resistance add up. Our resistance between terminal A and B going to be 60 ohm equal to resistance between B and C, between C and A. So whenever you connect a 3-phase load, always measure between the 3 terminals. Make sure your load is connected right. Now we're going to look at the lab connection down here. So I have a 3-phase Y connected load down here. I have 3 resistors, each is 30 ohm. I connect them in a Y configuration. My supply is 240 volt. I turn the power on. While doing the lab, we always have to wire the safety glass. So I know this meter is measuring the line voltage, it's close to 240 volts. This meter is measuring the phase voltage, the close to 138 volts. We can see it's equal to the line voltage divided by √3. Now I'm going to measure the line current. So I use a clamp on ammeter, measure the line current here. Give me 4.5 amps. I also going to measure my phase voltage, phase current down here. Close to 4.4 or 4.5 amps. So from this lab you can see for balanced Y connection, my line current equal to my phase current, and my phase voltage will be slightly √3 lower than my line voltage. We're going to show you how to measure a 3-phase Y connected load. So we have a 3 Y load here. We use an ohm meter, measure between these 2 terminals. We read 60 ohms. We measure between a different 2 terminals. we also get close to 60 ohms. Then we measure the last two terminals. We also have between 60 ohms. That's how we measure three-phase loads.